Now we are going to shallow fry our egg tofu. Using medium heat, heat up some oil. Make sure that the oil is hot enough. Using your bamboo chopstick or your bamboo skewer, put it in. You should see bubbles rising up like this. I'll be using a total of 400 grams, half of which I've air fried. I will tell you the process how I do the air fry in a while. Let me just slide all this in first. Gently put everything in. Do not move the tofu when you first put it in. You let the crust form a little bit. Now of course you can choose to air fry everything or shallow fry everything, but I've shown you half and half because I want to show you how I do this. Air frying of the tofu is very easy. First we spray some oil onto the basket of the air fryer. Then we'll coat the egg tofu in corn flour, spray a layer of oil onto it. Then we'll air fry it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the tofu will be nicely brown. I've tried with and without the corn flour. With corn flour, the texture is so much better. I've been frying this for about a minute. Let's have a look. Right, brown properly like this. We'll turn it over to the other side. Now we'll just need to brown the other side in the same way. If your oil starts to smoke, reduce the heat. Now why am I air frying this or shallow frying this is because I want to get the moisture out of the tofu so that it can absorb the sauce that we'll be making later much easier and much better. And of course, when you deep fry it or when you air fry it, when we cook it, it will not break up that easily. Now in case if you cannot get egg tofu, you can use any firm tofu if you want. Not a problem at all. If you want to use soft tofu, you can also, but be a little bit careful because they are very, very soft. Continue to fry this until the other side is brown. It will take about a minute or two. I'll be frying this for about a minute or so. Now let's have a look. It should brown properly like this. Okay, we'll now remove this from the heat. Remember, do not turn off the heat, otherwise oil will lodge in the tofu. Gently remove them.